Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the path and permissions so Windows can actually see C/users. Open an elevated command prompt now and run whoami to confirm which account you're using. This helps avoid chasing the wrong profile. Once done, list C/users with dir to confirm the folder and entries are present. If the folder is missing or empty, stop and do not proceed. Restore from backup or a restore point first. Otherwise, continue to fix system links and registry pointers. Now you'll repair the underlying references so Windows can resolve user profiles. Check for junctions with dir/c/users. If a junction to users or documents is missing, recreate it with mclink/j. Next, open Regedit and navigate to hklm/software/microsoft/windows nt/current version/profile list. Ensure each SID points to a valid profile image path like C/users/your name. Make targeted edits only. Finish by rebooting so Windows reloads profile mappings and permissions. This often resolves the error immediately. If you still see Windows cannot find C/users, boot into safe mode and confirm the folder and registry entries again, or run system restore to a point before the issue. Make sure to restore any missing C/users data from a backup before modifying registry or links. Restoring files first prevents profile corruption and is the single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.